Welcome to part 4 of the video series. In the previous video I showed you how to find content and how to create videos also without showing your face. And in this one I want to show you how to upload videos professionally. So the first thing that you have to do is to click on this button here and choose the video that you want to upload. After that, this page will appear and here you'll see the upload status. After, there will be a processing of the video and it usually stops at 95%, but it's normal, it always does this and you don't have to worry, after a while it will be finished. So now we go through all the important steps. The first thing that you have to do is to write the title. Usually I use a symbol, like for example an arrow in the beginning of the title, and you can find it by simply typing on Google the name of the symbol and then you copy and paste it from some page. Also, I use words like new, 2018 and HD in my title because people tend to click more on videos that have these kind of words in their title. My main keyword is car crash compilation, and I also added Russia, Germany and USA into my title. And I did that because if you go and type in the search box car crash compilation, you'll see that 2018, USA, Germany and Russia, these are the most popular keywords that you can find there. The next step that you have to do is to write the description, and here I would recommend you to write 1 to 2 phrases, and it would be perfect if your description would include also your keyword. In this case it would be car crash compilation, and also maybe you can add Russia, Germany and USA if it fits. After your description is done, you continue with the tags, and I would recommend you to use longer keywords for your tags because, for example, car crash is too competitive and it's super hard to rank your videos high for this keyword because everyone is using it. Also try to use other tags like car crash compilation Russia, car crash compilation Germany, 2018 and so on, and use the maximum capacity. So try to add as many tags as possible. The last thing that you have to do is to add a thumbnail. And I would recommend you to add a custom one. And I chose this one because if you go and search for car crash compilation on YouTube, you see many pictures of cars that are crashing in an extreme way or having any other kind of accident. And most of them don't even appear in the videos. People just take them from another source to make it look more attractive and people click on the videos. I'll show you now where to find those pictures. Of course, you could use Google Images, but I would recommend you to use pages like Pixabay, for example. Let's type in car crash here. And here you can see all those pictures. They are all high quality and you can just take them. Click on this one, for example, it looks good. Now click on free download and use it as your thumbnail. And here you see it's free for commercial uses. You won't have any trouble if you use this picture. So that was it. You go back, add it as your thumbnail and then click on the publish button and you have your first YouTube video online. So that's the end of the video series. With the knowledge you have about YouTube now, you can already start and make money. Of course, there is much more that you can learn about the YouTube business. That's why I created a course that's called the Tube Hacks course, and it's called like this because it contains a lot of hacks and secrets that you can apply on your own YouTube business. There was just too much content to put on YouTube, so I created a course that contains all the knowledge that I gained through the years about the YouTube business. As you can see, it has 5 sections. Each of them has many videos where I explain everything step by step for complete beginners. You don't need any background knowledge, all you have to know is how to turn on your computer and log into your account. Also, you will get bonus material like checklists as an example, which is worth a lot. And we don't want to leave you alone with all the videos, so we provide you with premium support. Even though the videos are very detailed and usually there shouldn't be any questions left after watching them, but if you still have questions, you're welcome to ask us any question you want. We will answer your questions within 24 hours. You might ask yourself now, why should I purchase this course if I already watched your video series and learned how to earn money on YouTube? And the answer is, of course you can start already earning money on YouTube from the knowledge you gained from my YouTube video series. But if you don't want to just earn a couple of extra bucks, you see YouTube as a serious business and you want to earn the big money on YouTube, this course is the perfect choice for you. So this is your big chance to get real insider knowledge and many secrets from a professional YouTuber that won't be revealed on YouTube. In the testing phase, the TubeHacks course was sold for $300 and the customers were extremely satisfied and successful. But to make it more fair and accessible for everyone, we decided to drop the price to less than a third, so it's possible for everyone to purchase our product, even people with low income. Right now you can purchase the course for only $97, which is extremely cheap for all the content you will get. But I cannot guarantee you the price also in the future, because we're working on updates for the course, and once the updates are online we have to raise the price, simply because our team puts a lot of work into this course and we can't just give it away for cheaper than it already is. But if you become a member today for the current price, which is $97 at the time I published this video, you will get all the updates for free. You don't have to pay a cent. So my tip for you is to become a member now to save a lot of money and get it for only $97. That will pay off in a very short period of time. You have the choice what to do with that money. Do you want to buy sneakers once that you can wear for a couple of months, or do you want to make a smart investment into your knowledge and your future? If you decide for the second option, then click on the link in the description of the video, start a new life and become your own boss.